Priyanka Chopra Jonas is the definition of radiant skin. Whether she's on the red carpet, filming, or just living her best life, her glow is undeniable. But how does she do it? Today, we're breaking down Priyanka's ultimate skincare and tanning secrets so you can achieve that same effortless glow. And hey, before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to Celebrity Glow Secrets for more celebrity beauty tips. 1. Hydration is her #1 rule. First things first. Hydration is everything to Priyanka. She swears by drinking tons of water and using deeply hydrating skincare products to keep her skin plump, youthful, and dewy. Her go-to? Hyaluronic acid serums and rich moisturizers to lock in moisture. Tip: if you want to glow like Priyanka, start with a hydration-first skincare routine. Drink at least 2-3 liters of water daily, and make sure your moisturizer contains hyaluronic acid. Loving these tips? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more celeb beauty secrets. 2. Priyanka's DIY beauty hacks from India. You know what's even better than expensive skincare? Priyanka's DIY face masks. She sticks to her Indian roots by using natural ingredients like turmeric, yogurt, and honey for a brightening, anti-inflammatory glow. DIY mask recipe: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix it up, apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, and boom, glass skin activated. Loving these tips? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more celeb beauty secrets. 3. Sun protection is a must. Priyanka loves the sun, but knows the damage it can do to her skin. That's why she's obsessed with SPF. She always wears a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 50, whether she's filming or just out and about. Priyanka's pro tip: she also wears a hat or sunglasses to protect her face and keep wrinkles far, far away. Smart move, right? 4. Priyanka's tanning secrets: the safe glow. Okay, let's talk about Priyanka's bronzed glow. She doesn't bake in the sun. She prefers a safe, controlled tan, using self-tanners and body bronzing oils. Her glow routine uses gradual self-tanning drops mixed into her moisturizer for an even, natural tan. Loves body shimmer oils to enhance her skin's glow on the red carpet. She even applies bronzing cream to her collarbones and shoulders for that Hollywood glow. 5. Minimal makeup, maximum radiance. When it comes to makeup, Priyanka keeps it fresh and dewy. Her go-to look? Minimal foundation, cream blush, and a soft highlighter. This enhances her natural glow without covering it up. Priyanka's everyday makeup must-haves: tinted moisturizer instead of heavy foundation, cream blush for a healthy flush, dewy highlighter to accentuate her cheekbones. Final thoughts: how to achieve Priyanka's glow. So if you want Priyanka's radiant glow, remember, hydrate like crazy, protect your skin, try DIY masks, and embrace a bronzed, dewy look. Want more celebrity skincare breakdowns? Like, subscribe, and stay glowing with Celebrity Glow Secrets.